So now let's see what we have to do next. Here we have to do the city name and the GPS pen. So let's go back to Android Studio. I just forgot to add a comma here. Then, as I mentioned before, where the containers end, just click enter and add a new one. Let's go back and check the application again. I mean the interface. Here we have two elements next to each other, so I guess I'm going to use a row with them. So let's type child, then row, because here we will have more than one child, so we have to do it this way, children, as we just did it in the column before. Then container, inside of this container going to have a child, then text, this one, yep. Then here the city name, Riyadh, and here just add a comma and enter. Then another container for the icon, then child icon, yeah, this one. I keep forgetting these commas. Just type icon, the location on. This is the icon, it showed up here. This is how you add it. Then the color of it, going to put it red, and I'm going to enlarge it. I guess it's going to be small. Let's see first. Yeah, as I guessed. So I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. Size, just put it 35. Hot reload, and let's see the result. Yeah, good. But we still need to add space between them. Also, I have to add a margin and enlarge the text as well. So let's do it here. Style, text style, then font size, I'm just gonna put it like this one, 35. Font weight, bold, comma, then the colors dot blue, 500, then comma, actually there's, oh my bad. Now let's see the result again. Yeah, looks good. So here I'm going to add a margin from this side and the right side too, like this. Where? Here, yeah. Margin, not here in the container, no, right here. Margin dot symmetric. Yeah, then horizontal. Just add 25, it would be enough. And let's see the result. Yeah, good. I'm going to make this text a little bit smaller than this. Let's scroll up. Yeah, here, just make it 25. Hot reload. Let's see. Yeah, no, it looks better. We can also add here a sized box to increase the space between the text and the GPS pen. Let's try to do it here. Sized box. And instead of the height, we need a width. We need to use the width. Actually, we have it there. Width. Let me guess. Just put 25. 0. Then don't forget the comma. Then click the hot reload. Let's check the results. No, actually 25 is too much. Let's decrease it a little bit. Just put it 10. Now we still have to do the last thing, which is the temperature and the icon of it. So let's scroll down. I forgot a comma here. I forgot to add a comma here. So let's check the interface design. Here we have this icon and the temperature. Also we have to add this, they call it card, so we're going to add it. It has this shadow around and it has rounded corners. To make the code easier to look at, just go to each container and close it or collapse it. This one, also this one, also this one. Click enter here, and then we have to add a card to have a similar look to the interface design. Card. And don't forget the comma here. Just click enter. Then I'm going to add a background color and make it white. Colors dot white. Then click enter. Then I'm going to add a child. Then list title. List. Then you can add the leading icon. They call it a leading icon. So going to add it here. Then the icon. Sorry. Web Sunny. This is the icon. It just showed up here. And as you can see here, the background color for the card. Just add a comma to it. Then give it a color. Going to make it yellow. Or they just call it here amber. Amber. Yep. Here, the first one. Just click right here. Then add the title here. Then text. Oh, sorry. go temp. Let's say 25C. Then just, you can either click hot reload this button or just Control S. Yeah, looks good. But I guess I have to add margins here and here and at the top too. So to add a margin, just click right there and enter, then type margin, then and sets, then symmetric, then going to give it vertical margin and horizontal margin too. Vertical, let's say 17 would be enough. It only accepts float numbers. So then comma, then horizontal, then we're going to match it with this, I believe. Yeah, here. Let's see the horizontal. Yeah, 25. Let's close it. 25.0. Then just hot reload it again. Yeah, looks beautiful. Now it looks pretty much like the interface design we had, this one, but we still need to remove the tag here. I mean, where's the Android? Yeah, there. Here we have a tag. You can remove it by clicking here, then more action, then hide debug mode banner. Let's see. Yeah, it's gone. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.